Assalamu alaikum. This is Miraj Hussain, your ICT teacher. Hope you all are fine. Today, I have come with another video. Today, I am going to discuss about computer networks. Hope you will enjoy the class. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Before starting anything, first we have to understand what is network. When two and more devices are connected with each other with any medium, then it is called networks. And when two and more computers are connected with each other with any medium, then it is called computer networks. Here you can see an computer network where two and more components are connected with and where. Here you can see more than two computers, a printer, a keyboard and mouse and a switch. They are connected with each other. Let's go to the next topic. Now we will discuss about different components of computer networks. Let's learn about server. In today's life, I think you all are familiar with these words. When we used to browse internet or when we are used to connect with the websites, sometimes we see that server is not found. That means actually that a website is not really exist. That means the server is nothing but a computer by which we are connected with internet. When we used to visit any websites or download anything from a website, that means we are downloading a things from a computer. And that computer actually is the server. Suppose that the server is not found, that means that website is not really exist. So it's clearly understood that server is a computer by which we are connected with the internet. And definitely it's not as usual computer like our PC. So for calling a computer a server, there should be some specific features on the computer. Let's learn about clients. So who are the clients? We are the clients. The users which actually tries to connect with the server. All the users and all the computers are the clients. Suppose I am downloading anything from a website, that means I am the clients here. So basically all the users are client and all the users computers and all the users PC are the clients. So clients used to download or upload anything from server. So go to the next topic, and our next topic is the media. It's a very important thing. So when we used to connect more than two computers with each another, we have to take the help from the media. So there are two types of media. Some medias are wired and some medias are wireless. So nowadays we can see several kinds of medias. So through the media, actually we connect several devices with each other. So it may be wired or it may be wireless. Now we'll try to understand about network adapter. So what is network adapter? So it's nothing but a network interface card. Suppose a relative has come to your house and you don't know that person. So on that case, your parents will try to introduce him with you. So here, your parents are the introducer. So a network interface card is nothing but like that. It functions actually to introduce the new kinds of media or new concepts. When we used to connect an equipment with the computer, then a network interface card used to introduce that equipment with the computer. So it actually works as an introducer for several components. Let's learn what is resources. Actually, the resources are that documents or that files or that things which we transfer from server to our clients or from the server's ends to client's ends. So those are the resources. It may be any songs, it may be any files, it may be any games, or maybe it's maybe any softwares. So those things what we actually share between the servers and the computers, those things are the resources. Sometimes we use different kinds of online softwares. So those online softwares which are kept in a server, those are also a resources. So resources may be kept in our computer, it may be kept on servers computers, or it may be kept in a specific storage device. So storage are nothing but in data, nothing but in software. It may be a hardware also. Now we'll try to understand who are the users. So we are the users. The users actually transfers the resources or share the resources in between the servers and the clients. So in that sense, we are the users and also we are the clients. So the next topic is a very important topic, and that is the protocol. So what is the protocol? So protocol is nothing but the rules and the regulations. So when one or two devices need to be connected with each another, there should follow a rules and some regulations. Okay, so suppose we are trying to visit our Prime Minister office. So the rules and the regulations is not as usual what we actually want to do. So there should be a specific criteria, there should be specific procedures by which we can meet our Prime Minister. So here in the internet or here in the networks, so protocol is the connections procedure by which one and more devices can be connected with each other. So when we used to call another person from our phone, so it always follows a protocol. If it violates the protocol, if it doesn't satisfy the protocol, it will not make a call to the other person. So when more than two devices are connected, there should be a protocol. And maintaining the protocol, we actually shares the documents and the files and the resources with server computer. I hope you have understood. So right now we are going to discuss about network topology. So what is topology? Topology is nothing but a network structure by which more than two devices are connected. When we'll understand the topology, we'll able to know how more than two devices are connected with each other. So it will clear our idea about the network structure. On that case, we have to know how the computer networks are divided on the basis of their position. So on the basis of the positions, computer networks are divided into. So number one is PAN, which stands for Personal Area Network. We are very much familiar with these networks. We used to share our files, our documents with the nearby friends with the help of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So these are the personal area networks. So actually, the PAN covers any small area surrounding the users. The second thing is LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. When more than several computers are connected or several things are connected in a specific school or in a specific area, that is actually called LAN. So you can easily understand our CCTV camera setup on our campus. So what is MAN? So what is MAN? MAN stands for Metropolitan Area of Network. So when the area is larger than a LAN, larger than a specific community, or larger than an office, or larger than two or more houses, then the network will be MAN. And when we are going to establish a network larger than a metropolitan area, then the network could be MAN. So right now we are going to understand how all these computers are connected, how the server and the clients are connected with each other, or more than two computers are connected with each other. So first we are going to discuss about bus topology. When more than two computers are connected with a single wire, that topology is called actually the bus topology, where that single wire is called the backbone of the networks. And when all the computers are connected in a circular shape, that network is called the ring topology, where all the computers are connected with each other and they can share the informations, they can share the resources with one another. In that case, if any of the computer is damaged, the whole network will be destroyed. And in the bus topology, if any one of the computers is disconnected, it would not affect anything on that network. So, understood the difference between the ring and the bus topology. Now, we are going to discuss about the star topology. So, when all the network components are connected with a central hub, that is called the star topology. Here, all the computers and network equipments are connected with a central hub or central computers. In that network structure, if the central hub is not working, the whole system will be damaged. Why this topology is named as star topology? Actually, it looks like a star. That's why it is named like star topology. Now we are going to discuss about tree topology and when computer equipments are connected like a tree shape in a computer networks or in a specific networks, that network is called tree topology. In that sense, so if any of the branches are disabled or not functioning, the network will not damage. But if the main computer which is connected on the top of the network, the whole system will be damaged. And right now we're going to discuss about another computer networks, which is mesh topology. In mesh topology, all the computers are connected with each another. We have already understood the bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, where all the computer networks are individual. Yes, they can transfer the data in between them, but all are the individuals. But in the mesh topology, each of the components can send or receive data from one another. So, in mesh topology, all the computer networks are connected with one another. So, if we want to make an hybrid topology, so mesh topology is very effective for that. So, the final question is, what network structure we should choose for our computer networks? Actually, in our real life applications, we used to implement several kinds of network topology in several conditions. That was all for today. Hope you have enjoyed my class. And if you really find it useful, don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Stay safe and stay at home. See you in the next class. Thank you.